Don't stop, little kitty. We still have some distance to cover.
It is out of energy.
Then, let's help you refill that energy.
How?
Firstly, by grabbing some food. And meanwhile, by learning about the first law of thermodynamics. Zoom in! Every day, energy moves quietly through our world. Warming the sunlight on your face, powering your phone, and hiding in the food that gives you strength. You can't see energy itself, only the effects it creates. What makes this even more fascinating is that no matter how many times energy changes form, it never disappears, as explained by the first law of thermodynamics. And what does this law actually say? The first law tells us that energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only change from one form to another. In simpler terms, the total amount of energy in a system remains constant. It may move, transform, or hide, but it never vanishes. Scientists often express this by using the equation delta U equals Q minus W, where delta U represents the change in a system's internal energy. Q is the heat added and W is the work done by the system. While the symbols may seem technical, the meaning is beautifully simple. Energy always keeps its balance. To understand the first law with an example, imagine pouring yourself a hot cup of tea. As it sits on the table, the tea gradually cools. Where did the heat go? It didn't vanish into thin air. It moved into the surrounding air, slowly raising its temperature. The tea loses heat energy, but the room gains exactly that amount. The total energy in the tea and the air together remains constant. Only its distribution has changed. This simple event demonstrates the law in action. Energy can move, but it never disappears. The same rule applies on a larger and more dramatic scale. Inside a car engine, when fuel burns, the chemical energy stored in gasoline molecules is released. Some of that energy becomes mechanical energy, pushing pistons, turning wheels, moving the car forward, while the rest escapes as heat through the exhaust and into the air. The engine doesn't destroy any energy. It merely transforms it from chemical to mechanical and thermal energy. Even the lost heat still exists somewhere in the environment. The first law of thermodynamics also governs living things, including us. When you eat food, your body transforms the chemical energy into carbohydrates and fats into kinetic energy for movement, electrical energy for nerve signals, and thermal energy to maintain body temperature. Every step you take, every heartbeat, every thought is powered by energy. Conversions that follow the same rule as a burning star or a running engine. When you feel tired after exercise, you haven't used up energy. You've simply transformed it into motion and heat. Ultimately, the first law reminds us that energy never dies. It merely evolves from one form to another. And in that eternal transformation lies the rhythm of the universe. A rhythm that has never skipped a beat since the dawn of time. Trivia time! Did you know that it is impossible to construct a machine that can continuously supply mechanical work without consuming any energy simultaneously? Such a hypothetical machine is known as the perpetual motion machine of the first kind. It's sketching time! Today's sketch of the day goes to Oral. Hope you learned something energizing today. Until next time, it's me, Dr. Binocs, zooming out. That sandwich should give you enough energy to convert into motion.
It got converted into gas energy.
Never mind.